What's up, guys? Today I have a new indicator that is going to identify the engulfing candle pattern. This is also known as an outside bar pattern. When combined with the proper supply and demand levels, the engulfing candle pattern is a simple but powerful pattern that can help you detect reversals in the market. In this video, I'll show you how this indicator works and how you can customize it with the built-in parameters. Also, how you can set the flash alert and the audio alert. Now, before I get started, I just want to mention that this indicator, alongside any others of mine, are 100% free, and they can all be found in my Discord, and I'll link it down below, so make sure you guys check it out. Alright, first thing, what is an engulfing candle pattern and how is it defined? For the purpose of this indicator, and for simplicity's sake, the engulfing candle pattern, it's when the high of the current candle is above the high of the previous candle, and the low of the current candle is also below the low of the previous candle. On top of that, the color of the candle must be in the opposite direction of the previous candle. So if this is a red candle, your engulfing candle must be green. And if your candle is green, your engulfing candle must be red. Now, let's run through the parameters. First, you have your offset options, which include price, percentage, and ticks. Now, these will allow you to customize how much farther out you want your engulfing candle to be from the previous candle before it colors it in. I'll show an example here. First, we'll start at 0. And now what 0 means is if your engulfing candle is the same as the previous candle, so the low or the high match the previous candle, with an offset of 0, this will still color it in. So hit apply. And now you can see, because the low is the same as the previous candle, it colors it in. Now let's go back to 1 tick. And now what the 1 tick does is it's telling it that the engulfing candle must be at least 1 tick above and below the previous candle before it colors it in. So I'll hit apply, and you will see, because they're the same, it is no longer colored in. And we can take it one step further. Here, we can check the price, and it is 3 ticks away. So we'll go back to the parameters. And if you select 3, hit apply, it is still colored in because it is 3 ticks below the low of this candle. But now if we select 4, it should take away the color. And that's how it works. And if you're trading stocks, you have the option for a price offset, which 0.01 is 1 cent, 0.02 is 2 cents, 0.1 is 10 cents. And your percentage will take the high and the low of the previous candle, and it will take that percentage and add it on top and below. So if you're trying to write 10%, it's written out as a decimal, so you select 0.1, and that will add 10% to the top and 10% to the bottom, that your engulfing candle must be above and below that. The next parameter is to give greater customization for the user. The first check mark is if you're just using the alerts and don't want to change the candle colors, you can just uncheck that, hit apply, and it takes away all the color. So let's put that back. The next check mark adds an extra parameter where the engulfing candle's body must be equal to or greater than the previous candle's body. So here we have 2 examples. One where the body is equal to or greater than the body of the previous candle. And then a second example where The high and the low are still greater than the previous candle, but the body is smaller than the previous candle. So we're going to select this option right here, hit apply, and now you will see this candle, because the body is smaller, it's not going to be colored in with this option. And this candle, because it's the same or greater, it still remains colored in. And of course, you can customize your green and your red outside bar colors to whatever you want to choose. The next parameter are your alert functions. Here you have two separate options. The first one is the flash alert. And what this does is once the engulfing pattern candle forms and the candle itself closes, you will see the whole screen over the candle will be highlighted this color. And your audio alert is the same thing. Once the candle pattern shows and that candle closes, you could select whatever audio file you want, and you will be able to hear that sound file. So let's hit apply and see how it works. So there's your engulfing pattern. And there you see over the candle, it's highlighted orange. And I hope that sound was loud enough for you guys. And now for the final feature is setting up your market analyzer. So if you haven't set up your market analyzer before, you go to your control panel, new, and just click market analyzer. And something like this will show up. So from here, you want to enter your instrument name. So doing the ES today. You want to right click, go to columns. You want to scroll down to indicators. At that, then you go up here to where it says indicator and scroll down to your trade simple folder. So you select your trade simple folder and you will see it in this list. Select your engulfing bar version 1. This one, you will see it in the main list. And now here, it's very important. You want to make sure you select the market analyzer option. It's going to give errors if you don't select this option. So, and you also want to make sure whatever parameters you have set on your indicator, you want to set them up here as well. So we'll leave that as is. And then we scroll all the way down to where it says sell condition. You add a condition. Now the way this works is if it's detecting an engulfing candle, it's gonna plot an invisible 1 that you will not see, but that is how it detects when to give the alert. So when there's an engulfing candle, there's a 1. When there's not, there's a 0. So you want to select this value when it equals 1. We want to color the background some sort of color you will notice, and you can select OK and apply. So now when it detects an engulfing candle, you see it turns pink, and once it is no longer a candle, it goes back to just being a regular box. That's pretty much it for this indicator. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please drop a like and consider subscribing. If you guys have any questions or feature requests, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to get access to all my indicators and never miss a thing, I suggest joining my Discord. It is 100% free, and the link's going to be down below. With that being said, thank you guys. Take care.